If you think you are weak, you are weak. If you think you are stronger, you are stronger. If you think you can change the world, you can change the world. So whatever you think, you become like this. This is the saying of my idol, Swami Vivekanand, who says, जैसा आप सोचते हो वैसा ही आप बनते हो. Just keep practicing on the same thing. आप लगातार जो सोचते रहते हो आप वही बन जाते हो. So it's always important that you should give your thoughts more strong, more strength, and after some years you become like this. So it's very important, just keep watch on your thoughts, where they are going. Either they are going on right direction in upliftment for the right, for the betterment, or they are going in a wrong direction for the making you more downgrade and more person who is not well or who is not quite capable of doing the things. How do you think gradually you become like this? I just want to narrate a story regarding this, that there was one child who born and brought up in between these various animals in some forest. So he becomes like that. He is a part of that animals, and he think that because at all these animals was very weak, and he also starting thinking that I am also one of the weaker being of the planet, and he just keep thinking on that. But sometimes someday one sage has comes in that forest, and he found that that boy is with animals, and he is also living the life like them, and he is some of the animals, those are the weaker, and he is also finding himself a weaker. So the sage has told him that you are not an animal, you are a human being. You have immense of the power, you can change the world. You are the person who is the most and most powerful person, and you have all the capabilities to change the world, and you have the good and beautiful mind. If you work on it, if you believe on it, your mind give you the immense of the power, and after the sum of years you will rule the world. So just come out this forest, come out this weakness, and you can rock on this. This was the learning, this was the thing which sage has given to this child, and this child then become empire of entire kingdom of his at our surrounding, and he become a king of that country. So this is all about लगातार जो आप सोचते हो वैसे ही धीरे 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 जिससे बनते हो, क्योंकि जैसा आप सोचते हो वैसी बुक्स, वैसी चीज़ें, वैसे ही लोग, वैसे ही चीज़ें आप आसपास ढूंढते रहते हो और आप वैसे ही बनने लगते हो. तो इसलिए अपनी सोच पे कंट्रोल करें. योर माइंड इज़ द बिगेस्ट टूल विच गॉड हैज़ गिवन. जस्ट बिलीव इन इट, एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग ऑन इट, your brain give you the lot of good inputs, and you will rock, you will shine, you will become a marble, you will become a diamond. So be a diamond, be a gold, and believe in yourself, believe in your minds, and you are a stronger. Bye.